In Bangladesh, based on my personal experience, dyehouse automation is generally implemented in three ways, depending on the factory condition and the readiness. The first option I want to introduce is a semi-automated system. It's a machine-assisted process, but humans still operate and monitor the key steps. This option is more affordable and suitable for many of the existing factories. Second option is the fully automated dye system. The system is largely run on its own and human involvement mainly for the supervision and the maintenance purpose. And the third automation I would like to say is the hybrid model. Many dyehouse operation is running as a hybrid model. For example, the dyeing machine control and the chemical dispensing is fully automated. However, dyes, weighing, dissolve, and distribution and some small auxiliaries still use the semi-automatic system. Even this
Okay,
is a
sir.
partial
So,
automation.
Arif sir, there are three ways to implement automation in dye houses. Okay, so I would like to go to Mr. Mohiuddin sir, that if a factory in Bangladesh, they have existing setup and they want to implement automation, so which way or which of the three options that Arif sir is giving is suitable or feasible for them?
Thank you very much to invite me in this discussion. First of all, generally there is, he told the three parts, mainly actually for the laboratory, for the bulk, and others dosing and others synchronization actually. But in fact, in Bangladesh, generally, when people think for that, they first see that the system is very congested actually. There is a not so much many scopes and findings and places, so that all the necessary pipings and other things cannot be accommodated very properly actually, except some good factories which is very much not too much narrow. They can do this automation. And for laboratory who has some free spaces, they can put the auto lab system there. And for the bulk is also the same. The space is the main problem when we want to implement it this type. And the second problem actually happened for the manpower point of view, because at this moment in factories, this operation is fully run by the IT people, as far as I have seen actually. But logically, it should be governed by the process engineers, and definitely the production people should be habituated to implement this type of job. But they are, as I have seen, that they are sometimes not feeling very comfortable when they do this operation.
So, sir, there is a skill gap.
There is a very serious skill gap. Not only skill gap, there is a serious skill gap in this sector. So they are already finding that they are definitely, the dosing is precision, the recipe is precision, all data they are getting, but still they have a they prefer to go for this automation. But due to the skill gap and efficient manpower, they generally do not, at the end of the day, they do not make it fully connected.
They can get the full potential, sir.
Right. They keep it segmented, like there is no connection between the lab, between the sample and others. Or the
synchronization is needed.
No, yes, though there is no synchronization is there at this moment.
Okay.
That is also because if you do not make the synchronization, then there is the outcome definitely nobody will enjoy. This is my opinion.
Okay, sir. So for an existing setup, we should go, I mean, how we can implement this? That means so we can go from semi-automatic to full automatic, or what should be the roadmap, or how can we adopt the full automation, sir?
I think the beginning must be begun from the lab automation. Everybody must. It is. I think everybody will be agree for that. First, the lab automation is must. Then the dyes chemical. Then for the salt, you can go, and then you can use the central monitoring system where everything will be connected, and also the others department like the winding and finishing department also will be connected in this sector.